Hello, it's me again, Hot Lap number 119. We got our media guy back, so the video should go a little smoother. I know some of you guys like the GoPro footage because it was kind of candid, kind of janky. Maybe we'll do that in the future. But yeah, Eddie's back to our regularly scheduled programming. Got the big dog back in town, back from across the pond. He was in the UK in Paris. Was it Paris? Yeah, Paris. Yeah, they don't like the professional footage.
I try to tell him that, but he doesn't like
We'll switch it up every now and then.
It's like he likes using his $1,000 camera for some reason.
Because he's a videographer. It's part of his craft.
You might as well.
Yeah, people like the $300 camera, not the $8,000 camera. Anyway, what do we got going on? Today is July 13th. Anything fun happened this weekend in the car scene community? Any car stuff happened this weekend? Any events? Oh, Ricardo, how was the Cars and Coffee at Turn 14?
I was sick in bed.
Oh, he was sick, talking all that shit like we should have gone.
Yeah, well, we would have been there alone.
God damn it. All right, well, you guys went to the Turn 14. What do they call it?
Cars and Coffee?
Oh, just Cars and Coffee. I thought it was something special, since they're a multi-million-dollar company. No, just kidding. So that's the only thing that happened this weekend. What else is going on? Oh, last week we weren't able to announce the winner of the Coil-Rad giveaway because Eddie knows how to work the system. But we found our winner. We're going to give him a call right now. Let's see what he has to say. Let's see. Again. Didn't this happen last time? Nobody wants to win anything. Pick up, man. Pick up. The city needs you. Bro.
Hi, you've reached Curtis. Please leave a message and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.
I got nervous. I didn't know what to say.
Leave a message.
He's probably working. That was his work. It sounded like his work phone. I'll just leave a message. I'll leave a message. Hold on. Come on.
Next day, this.
Hey, Curtis. This is Malcolm, Faction Motorsports.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, just want to let you know we're recording this call just for some training purposes and quality assurance. I don't know. Last month you placed an order with us. I just want to let you know every $5 spent was an entry into our giveaway for the Coil-Rad giveaway, and I just want to let you know that you won.
And what was that giveaway for?
A Coil-Rad bundle. So you get a Coil-Rad, an oil cooler, and a Coil-Rad cap.
Okay, did you have to select like a certain model and stuff? Sorry, I'm just in the middle of working.
Oh, my bad, dude. You want me to call you back later?
But no, that's good. I can talk real quick.
Okay, yeah. I'll just shoot you an email. We'll chat through email, and then figure out what kind of products, for what car you need, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, what's the email you have for that?
Let's see. Give me 1 second. gmail.com.
Yeah, it's perfect. So yeah, once you send that email, I'll take a look out for that, and I'll get back to you today. Sorry, I'm just out working outside.
All right, no problem, man. I'll send you an email in a little while.
Awesome, thank you.
No problem. Congrats.
Thank you.
Bye.
Definitely not California.
Just a blue-collar man trying to make a buck. We called him, during work hours. That's on us. But congrats, Curtis. Hope this Coil-Rad system will keep you cool out there in this hot weather. Damn. Like I was slaving out there. Well, anyway, congrats. This month, it is the month of July. We're giving away a stop and power package. Yeah, $1,000. What would you buy with $1,000? Brake wise.
I don't know. DBA rotors?
Damn.
They're too much money though.
That'll buy you one.
One
side.
I would get the rotors and then I'd pay for the rest of this.
DBA, you could do EBC.
You can get a whole brake job with EBC.
Yeah, you could do ROFU if you really wanted. You could do
Who?
Rofu.
Fufu? No, just get EBC, get the whole thing, front, rear.
You could do Willwood.
Will? Who's Will? Get EBC.
All right.
That's the best bang for your buck, and then you can get you probably have extra money left over. You get lines, fluid.
$1,000. You can do whatever you want. Every $5 spent on the website is one entry. Faction merch, double entries. If you need
A lot of merch.
if you need help stopping, if you need some stopping power, buy some stuff on the website. We got a pickup outside. Would you mind handling that for me?
Yeah, Ricardo wouldn't mind it.
Ricardo, there's a pickup out here. You know, it. Come along. What? Oh, somebody's truck is blocking the... This is our cut. One is his, one is ours. That's it.
BOL.
What?
BOL.
Yeah. Thank you. Kaz. We sell Kaz, guys. Kaz diff. Getting that installed on the customer car. Actually, I think it's for Wags. His diff blew up. Got an Origin Lab driftline kit going out for a Mark II JZX. Anyway, what else we got going on here? Let's stop the music. Cut the music. Chris is working on a diff right now. Rebuilding a diff. Probably some LSD, whatever. This thing is still here. It's getting worked on still. Got the turbo in there. Look at that. Coming together nicely. Yeah. Big old turbo. Cool. Damn, this is coming together nicely. I don't know where everybody is. Oh, well, Chris, where does Jesus go? It's probably in the... Got this 350Z here. This is a returning customer. Just getting a good old... He's getting all the services done. Oil change, diff fluid change, transmission fluid change, brakes and calipers, oil, I said that already, and a whole bunch of other stuff. We got kids cars here. Just got doing an alignment, changing the wheels, which is cool. He just put a whole STI drivetrain in this WRX. So, basically a brand new car. What else we got going on? Not much, guys. It is hot. It is humid. Let's see what questions we got on the... You know what? I'm going straight to the questions. Yo, if you guys liked the podcast last week, let us know. That was with Frankie. Because Carl's on his hiatus, as many of you know. Frankie and his friend Bailey Burr were just chatting on the podcast. Let us know how you like that one. He had a few comments on that. And Motor High 3452 says, finally, someone giving Corvettes love. I don't care about your body kits. Give me a cheap C-Time car that absolutely rips and doesn't break. Corvette is the way to go. Yeah, it just sucks. There's not much cosmetic stuff you can do with that car, but... If you're just looking for a seat-time car, Corvette's the way to go. Let's see what these questions say. Slumdog John says, the Grey Cars revival would be cooler than anything the internet has seen. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. I don't know if they're going to be gray, but one day, it's coming. S15 body kit restock, question mark? Says Jesus Guzman. We're getting our Origin container in like, give or take a month, maybe probably less than a month. There are a lot of Origin Lab S15 kits available. I know there's a lot of Driftline stuff that should be up for grabs, and probably some other stuff, especially fenders and such. Nona B2K says, we want to know more about Frankie's early life. Why does his exes always f his friends? That is why. Who is that? Wow. That is crazy. Who is that? Nona B2K. Maybe we'll ask him on a podcast. That was a crazy question. E Ortiz 314 says, "Don't let the things you can't do stop you from doing the things you can." Words of wisdom. Put that right here. Now you know. Keichio 0660. Using AI for media of your car is cringe. People do that? I have not seen it. Including AI redesigning your car or livery, that is wild. I haven't seen that firsthand on my Instagram or whatever. Damn. Tag somebody in the comments who does that. That's why. RPS 13 Gary says, "I'm 37, getting divorced, not fun. But 240 and my 8 other cars stay with me." Damn, my condolences. Wait. Do you say condolences only when somebody dies? Yeah? Well, technically someone's dying in your life, I guess, so. Or a relationship has died. My condolences, brother. 37, getting divorced. Maybe it's for the better. I hope you're happier. I hope you're happier now. Because obviously something wasn't right. But hey, you got 8 cars. That's a long-lasting love. Should I ask Frankie about that question? I don't think so. I'm gonna just show it to him. Look at this question. Read that one.
Crazy shit.
That left side middle.
Why does this ex always friends? Because they go for car girls. You can't do that, man. I learned my lesson the hard way. Learn from our mistakes, okay? Don't. If she knows what a 240SX is, you might have to go a different way. It might not be the right girl for you.
Damn.
Yeah, he wants the dirt. That's what he wants.
Yeah, he's looking for some tea.
You got to join the Patreon for that.
Ooh, we're gonna spill some shit on Patreon.
Sure, why not?
This person also said, "I'm 37, getting divorced, not fun. But 240 and my 8 other cars stay with me." I send him my condolences.
That sucks.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Don't get married.
Yep. It's a dog-eat-dog world out there, and those dogs are big. That's about it, guys. Hey, if you want to win a stopping power kit worth $1,000, follow us so you could be up to date on more giveaways, and just go to factionmotorsports.com and buy some stuff. If you're hoping for some free brakes, buy something $5 on the website. We got merch. Ladies, it's hot out. If you're looking for something little sexy, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, if you buy one of these, you're not a bitch. You're automatically not a bitch. You're a nice lady. You got some good style. Probably in a happy relationship. But yeah. Ricardo's like, what the fuck are you talking about? Anyway, see you guys later. Check out our Patreon. Subscribe. Eddie's back. The Snap-on videos will be back, you dickheads. And that's all you people want. What other shit we got on here? Pass that shop's info along. Need rust repair done myself. Thanks. Oh, last week we talked about the van getting worked on. Yeah, if you need some good body service shop, I'll just respond to that comment, so it'll go directly to you, brother. Yeah, Jesus' boy does some good work. Anyway, that's it, guys. Oh, the rest of the Patreon care packages are going out. Sorry, we've been swamped with work and haven't been able to ship them out, but they're going out today. That's it. That's everybody. And yeah, you heard that right. If you're on the Patreon top tier, you get a free care package with merch. So be on the lookout next time. Next time we drop something new, maybe it'd be like, maybe I'll do some Patreoning. Maybe I'll be a patron. Maybe. Anyway, that's all today, folks. I'll see ya. Is that Jesus coming out of the shower? Yo, you stinking up the whole place with that shit.
I don't give a damn.
This stinks. Alright, guys. We're out. See ya. Later. On to the next one. We'll see you on episode 120. Maybe it'll be with the GoPro. Maybe. See ya. See you next time. PU. All right.
You're gonna start doing some popping.
Yeah.
Just a reminder, we are giving away products every month over on factionmotorsports.com. Every $5 spent gets you 1 entry. Faction Motorsports merch and products get you double entries. For our raffle this month, we are giving away a stopping power package valued at $1,000. What this package can include are front and rear brake pads and rotors, brake lines, and fluid of your choosing. As long as the parts you choose are ones that we carry and are within the $1,000 budget, you are good to go. Stopping is one of the most important parts of racing. Most people think it's all about acceleration and suspension, but stopping power is what makes or breaks a fast lap time. And in drifting, brakes are used in a few different ways, such as using them to get a car to induce oversteer, panic braking to avoid a crash, and most importantly, using them while in tandem drifting in order to get as close as possible to the car in front of you. If you guys are interested in upgrading your braking system this July, head to factionmotorsports.com and spend at least $5 to get entered.